Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and have you heard of eucalyptus sheets before? Well, I hadn't, and I have to say, so far, these are my favorite sheets I've ever owned. That's right, I love these. They are eucalyptus and Egyptian cotton, so they are silkier to the touch than just regular cotton, but they are not silky or shiny at all. They have a really nice soft finish to them while still being very crisp, if that makes sense. But most importantly, these sheets stay nice and cool. They are much more moisture wicking than regular cotton. These are even better than bamboo sheets. Yeah, I said it. And they are Oecotec certified, which is a big deal in textiles because in order to have this, you have to have your materials tested for any harmful substances. So they are pretty clean. So I got these in the blush pink color, and don't shy away from pink. It is a wonderful neutral. It matches with so many colors. The set included 2 pillowcases, a top sheet, and a fitted sheet. And this fitted sheet is like no other I've ever had. Look at the elastic on this. And that's one of the biggest problems with bedding is it doesn't stay put. This one definitely does, even with a bigger mattress. I have a memory foam topper on our mattress, and these sheets fit it perfectly fine with room to spare. So if you have been on the hunt for sheets that are fresh at night, are easy to care for, and feel good to the touch, these by Sweave Bedding are amazing, and that's my point of view.